guys, welcome back. So today we are talking about a bunch of different hairstyles that you guys can do with greasy hair. I know a lot of people really don't know what to do when their hair gets greasy, and it's good to let your hair get greasy. It means you're producing oil and then feeding your scalp. So it's good to let your hair get a little greasy, but I know it can feel a little awkward and nasty. Embrace the greasiness. I have a few different hairstyles that I pull out on day 4 or 5 when I know I need to wash my hair, but I'm trying to hold out another day. So you guys, first let's talk about what I use to kind of get these sleeker looks. The first thing you want to do though, make sure if you have any like bangs or like little sideburn pieces that you like to help frame your face, make sure you are washing those because we can't have those piecey bangs or really greasy sideburns. So what I like to do the night before, if I know I'm gonna wear my hair one more day when it's greasy, I'll just wash my sideburns a little bit with a little bit of soap and then go to bed, and then the next day they're not so greasy. So that's what I like to do so I can still rock my hair a few more days. Just like maintain and wash the few pieces that you might have sticking out. But overall, my general rule is to try and keep my hair slicked back, because if you have like pieces of hair kind of falling out all over the place, it's really noticeable that your hair is greasy when it gets like piecey and it's in your face. So try and keep your hair out of your face by like sleeking it back somehow. So I have a few different hairstyles, but let me talk about the products I use and some of the tools I use. So the first thing I use is this LA Looks. You can find this literally at the dollar store. It's so cheap. It's one of the best gels I've ever used. I put it in my hair when it's wet to make it a little bit more curly, and then I use it to get any like flyaways that I might have when I'm wearing my hair slicked back. Another one I like to use is this Honeybee's styling wax. So this is like edge control or some wax that holds down your hair so you don't have those little flyaways, and you can kind of manage it and you know it's gonna stick all day. For these looks, you're also going to need a comb. It's really important that you get your hair slicked down as flat as possible with a comb, and then you might need a little hair binder, and then also some like braiding binders, these little tiny ones. Have a few of those on hand, and then obviously some bobby pins if you gotta like pin back hairs at all. That is just gonna help you make everything look as sleek as possible. So now that we've talked over kind of some of my tips on how to maintain, greasy but sleek looking hair and some tools that I use, let's get into the hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So today we're starting out with the ponytail. I promise it gets more intense and more creative, but we gotta start out somewhere. So just put your hair in a high pony. It kind of depends on your hair length, honestly, but I find a medium to high pony usually looks best on me. So I'm just gathering all my hair. Since my hair has some more texture, I don't really brush through it because I want to maintain a little bit of that texture, but put it in a nice high ponytail. And then what I like to do is frame my face with some of those sideburns and then pull a piece of the ponytail and just wrap it around the binder just to give it a more sleek look. Like it literally takes 2 extra seconds and it makes a world of difference. I like to also take a little bit of edge control and just smooth down my baby hairs just to make it look a little bit more put together. And you can also tease your hair to make it look big and playful as well, whatever you prefer. Now we're moving into a nice cute top knot. This is perfect for work or anything. Keep your ponytail in and then just twist your hair up and wrap it around itself. And you can kind of play with how high on top of your head you want it, or if you want it a little bit lower back, depending on kind of the look you're going for. I like it on the top more so than pulled back, but that's just my personal preference. Cute, easy, and looks put together and professional. The next hairstyle is my go-to sleek low ponytail. You guys, I rock this 9 times out of 10 when my hair is greasy. This is my go-to. You throw a little bit of edge control on the top of your hair just to sleek down all of those little baby hairs or that new growth of hair. And then put your hair behind your ears. I know that this is hard to get used to, especially if you don't show your ears much, but I promise it is so cute. Everyone loves a good, like, sleek little ponytail, and especially if you have some texture to your hair, it's just going to look really cute because it just, it's so sleek, and then you have a big old ponytail in the back. You can also, you know, crimp your hair or put your hair in braids the night before and then rock this. That's sometimes what I do, but this is such a cute look. I prefer to just put my hair as low as possible and then sleek back all of this hair. You see I have a little bumps in there. I just go back in with the comb and brush it down. Super easy, looks cute, and I just love it. Another one that I've been playing with lately is this low braid that I have. So you move straight from the low ponytail and then put in a braid, just a regular old braid, and then you can go ahead and use a little braiding binder as well. But this is so cute as well, especially if you don't have much texture to your hair or your hair is so out of control in the bottom. Put it into a little braid and it looks sleek, it looks so pretty, and especially if you have highlights like I do, it kind of, you know, accentuates them, I guess. I think it's so pretty and it's super duper easy. Like, these are all so easy. My next go-to hairstyle is a sleek low bun. You can just go right in from that braid and then tie it up, and that would be perfectly cute. It looks really sleek and put together. Otherwise, if you have shorter hair, you can kind of wrap your hair around, just like how you would like a messy pony, but like low on your head. That looks really cute as well. I love a sleek little bun. Throw some big statement earrings on and you have a look, ma'am. So the next one is great for if you don't know how to French braid or Dutch braid your hair. It's just a twisting technique. You pull the pieces underneath your hair and then twist them. This is great to do, especially if you don't know how to braid your hair. I like to just do it all the way down my hair and then put them into little fun buns. And this, I think, still looks like professional, and you can wear it out to work or whatnot. If you wanted, you could throw it into one bun as well, whatever suits you. But I think this is a cute little put back hairstyle that you can rock to many different places. Dutch braids are hands down my favorite look, especially when you're pairing it with some big earrings. I think it looks so cute and unique, and especially if you have some highlights in your hair, it's going to stand out and just look that much better. So I just start out with some Dutch braids. I keep it really tight, so keep your knuckles in nice and tight to your scalp. That's going to help control your braid and make sure it's nice and tight. So go ahead, and there we go. We got two braids now. You see all those editing effects. So now I go ahead and loosen up the braid by pulling apart the entire braid. This makes it look like you have more hair on your head. So it makes it look like your hair is really thick, and I think it also gives it a nice look. I like it better than a really tight braid. So I keep pulling until I'm satisfied. I'll even pull out some little sideburns or other hairs, and I think it looks really cute, and you know, like, I like a bigger braid like that. So that's how I rock my Dutch braids. And then, yeah, throw on some edge control, get your baby hairs in check, put on some earrings, and you've got a look. Like, it's so cute and so easy. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, these are all grease approved hairstyles for those 4th and 5th days that you don't want to wash your hair but you got to do something with it. These ones are my go-to. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what your guys' go-to hairstyle is for greasy days. You guys, I am all about it because the longer I don't have to wash my hair, the better. I'm all for that greasy life. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!